Hello everybody, just a quick video of a quick hack I did on a Monoprice MP3P 3D printer. This is the original. Had some problems with it and its horrible wiring scheme, where the wiring was in the original design is built underneath the print bed itself, and every time it moves forward and back, it drags those wires around through the connection holes into the circuit boards, and really is a really poor design, making those wires fragile and bending back and forth every time, until the point that either the heat stopped working because of those connections shorting out, or the sensor to the plate failing to detect the heat or the need for heat, so the plate wouldn't warm up. And so I did a little bit of a mod, which includes basically just drilling a hole on the back side of the mini printer itself, on the print bed. As you can see here, kind of a tough position. I'm filming from the window where it's presently seated, but as you can see, basically just drilled a hole in the back side of the printer and ran the wires out the back in a protective jacket sheath. Zip tied those all together, ran them back around, and I'll be putting left it open so you can take a look at what's going on here. But you can see the plate right there. We'll put a hole in the side of that and mount this jacket with the wires finally heading back in to the side of the Monoprint Mini, so that as it moves back and forth, everything is sort of freed up and protected and not being pinched as it moves back and forth each time to do its print job. So that's this little hack. I think it's going to work out really well. All those wires are now away from the print bed and moving back and forth nice and freely, and the little guy is several years old now, but has a new lease on life and is printing some stuff, and we're back in business.